Hey everyone, today I'm going to share the top 5 websites where you can learn freelancing for free in 2025. Whether you're looking to kickstart your freelance career or just want to pick up some new skills, these platforms have got you covered. Let's dive in. First up, we have Coursera. Coursera offers a plethora of free courses from top universities and companies. You can learn everything from graphic design to coding. The best part? Many of these courses come with a certificate of completion. Next on the list is Udemy. While Udemy is known for its paid courses, they also offer a wide range of free courses that are perfect for freelancers. From web development to digital marketing, you can find courses that suit your needs without spending a dime. Third, we've got HubSpot Academy. HubSpot Academy provides free courses on content marketing, social media, and more. These courses are designed to help you build skills that are in high demand in the freelance world. Coming in fourth is Khan Academy. While traditionally focused on school subjects, Khan Academy has expanded to include courses on computer programming and personal finance. It's a great resource to build foundational skills that are essential for freelancing. Finally, there's LinkedIn Learning. You might know it as lynda.com. LinkedIn Learning offers a trial period where you can access a plethora of courses for free. It's a fantastic way to explore different freelancing skills and see what suits you best. So there you have it. Coursera, Udemy, HubSpot Academy, Khan Academy, and LinkedIn Learning. These platforms will help you master freelancing in 2025 without breaking the bank. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks. See you next time.